Hi, my name is Alsie Nelson. I am the Senior Product Manager of the Elements Pillar. And today I am going to talk you through some of our new additions in both our warming and our cooling categories. So we're going to start over here. What you see is our 6823. You're probably familiar with this product. We have it in a variety of other colors and patterns in our line currently. The change we made this year is we added another color. So now we have a navy color option available. Still the same windproof panel on the front as well as hinge design, but navy is going to allow customers who typically wear navy uniform colors to coordinate with the uniforms they're already wearing. We also have a new neoprene face mask, mouthpiece, accessory edition. All of our winter liners that are compatible with hard hats, because you can see here, this connects to the suspension system in a hard hat, have attachment points for face masks or mouthpieces. This new neoprene edition is just going to be an accessory piece that allows those who are working in more extreme climates to have a water repellent option to configure with their winter liners. This is our new lighted beanie. It's different from most of the beanies in our line in that it is not a knit beanie. In fact, it's a very warm thermal compression fleece beanie. There's a lighting system here on the front. You just push that button in the center to turn it off and on. There's dual options for lighting here. You can see that there are 2 lights on the inside as well as 2 on the outside. The 2 on the inside are for close distance task lighting. Now, the 2 outer lights are for longer distance lighting, and that visibility will extend up to 73 feet. The battery life on this product, if turned on and left on, will last for up to 68 hours. Now, this product here, this is a very kind of a basic cuffed beanie. It's our new 6806. We have this available in 3 colors. It's just a kind of a nice lightweight thermal ad. High vis lime, high vis orange, and black are available. And then our new 6847, this is one of our more exciting ads in the category. And the reason for that is it is our very first dual compliance FR product. So what that means is it meets both the standard requirements for NFPA 70E as well as NFPA 2112, meaning it meets the requirements for both arc flash as well as flash fire. It is available in black as well as navy and has a 20 cal rating to this product.